What's up guys, it's Gautam here from TechLancer. So this is going to be the end of June and still monetization has not been enabled for YouTube for most of the YouTubers out there who are looking for the YouTube monetization. So in this video I'm going to give you a few tips by which you can get your YouTube monetization in the upcoming days. So if it's your first time here, do consider subscribing to the channel and also hit that notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update when a video goes live into our channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. So YouTube monetization has got some recent changes in past couple of months. So they have told the approval will be taken by end of June. So it's going to be almost end of June, just 2 more days left to complete June. And yes, they have started approving few of the channels, but still there are so many number of YouTube channels that has not been approved yet. So now let us see few of the tips to get your YouTube monetization in upcoming days if YouTube starts approving all of those YouTube applications. Number 1, have some good quality content. So that means don't copy contents from anyone and just upload your own content. That would be really sufficient for getting the YouTube monetization approved for yourself. Tip number 2, keep uploading videos every single day or even at least 3 videos per week. YouTube wants their community to be so active and they do not want their communities to be so dormant. So make sure at least you upload 2 to 3 videos per week so that your channel might be get approved in the upcoming days. Tip number 3, make sure that you have watch time more than 4,000 hours and also have subscribers more than 1,000 so that your channel also get noticed by the YouTube team and your application might be get approved soon. Tip number 4 is at least try reaching YouTube team regarding your application, regarding your status that you have crossed 4,000 hours plus 1,000 subscribers so that at least they will know and they will do consider your application at the earliest. Tip number 5, always upload your own content, which means make sure you reveal your face and you have at least your face expressed in your videos. I know, yes, few of you might have shyness to come in front of camera. Yes, I do understand, but YouTube is giving priority to people who reveal their faces and also giving good quality contents to the community. So that's what YouTube wants, and I hope all these 5 tips will really help you in getting your YouTube monetization at the earliest. So try these tips and let me know in the comment section below. So I think this video will be really helpful for you guys, and also do share this with your YouTube friends who are looking for the YouTube monetization at the earliest. So with that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.